Oh my god, Merry Hackmas, my friends, and everyone who may be lurking on the channel. As you can see, I got my festive Hackmas hat on, waiting for the hacking Santa to arrive and drop me off a new Bash Bunny or maybe Wi-Fi pineapple. But anyways, I've been meaning to make this video for a while now for you guys. As you know, I like to talk about things that I can break down to a 5-year-old's understanding, which is why we're not going to talk about the infamous and legendary log4shell's exploit, because the internet already stole my thunder and everyone is talking about this vulnerability. Even a 5-year-old can copy and paste some code and get a remote code execution. So we're going to completely bypass that and not even talk about it. And as you all know, that there are a million videos about how to get your first cybersecurity certification or how to get into cybersecurity and hacking. Those videos are super cringe, and I don't really care how you get into the field as long as you hack your way into the field. So you're probably wondering, what the heck are we going to talk about today on this Merry Hackmas? Well, my friends, I've been keeping a deep, dark secret from you guys for so long, and what better day to expose a cybersecurity Discord server out there on the interwebs, unwrap presents, sit around the campfire, and enjoy the special Hackmas edition of the Secret Letters of a Hacker. Let's jump into story time. A long time ago, I was part of a Discord server called Certification Station. But let's back up. If you're not familiar with Discord, think of it as like an online chat room. So with just a handful of us, I had to carry that community and do all the lifting because, let's face it, post-COVID, nobody works out anymore. So that Discord server now has 24,000 active members with not just one professional instructor, but 16 professional instructors who offer free live boot camps in that Discord server in between their book deals, TEDx talks, and whatever else instructors do. I don't know. So from red team to blue team to coding to hacking to security policies and certifications like CompTIA, SANS, EC Council, OSCP, there's members talking and studying in all those scopes. So as you can see, this Discord server is still a but if you have nothing better to do with your time and you're trying to decide whether to join or how to join a cybersecurity community versus watching reruns of the Beverly Hillbillies, I think the choice is pretty obvious, and I would choose the Beverly Hillbillies. But the link will be in the description for you guys. Just make sure to talk very slowly to the admins. A lot of them are still struggling through mental handicaps, so give them some grace. They are sitting pretty high up there, right next to God himself. So Merry Hackmas, make some new hacking friends, and in the next video, we're going to go over how to find and brute force web portal logins with the protocol HTTP post form using 𝗫𝗫 and Hydra. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any epic hacking content. And until then, my friends, I'll see you out there in the bug hunting community, and have a Merry Hackmas.